If your Shopify store isn't tracking data, you're missing out. Let's fix that today. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Head to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels. Click on Facebook and Instagram and then Open Sales Channel. Now, let's enable data sharing. Go to Settings, find Share Data Settings, and toggle Enable Data Sharing. Choose your data sharing level, Standard, Enhanced, or Maximum. Next, connect your pixel. Select your pixel from the list and click Confirm. If you're not using the Sales Channel integration, here's the manual way. Go to Meta Business Suite, navigate to Events Manager, and click Connect a new data source. Select Web and create or choose your pixel. Choose Setup with Partner Integration. Pick Shopify and follow the prompts. If needed, add the pixel code manually. Go to Online Store, then Themes, click Actions, and edit code. Paste your pixel code just before the tag and save. Finally, verify it's working with the Meta Pixel Helper. Check your Events Manager for tracking. And you're done!